guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create interior designer website with WordPress. So guys, without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform and create your own attractive websites. If you are undertaking design project from concept to completion, then this is the best platform for you to create your own websites. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. So guys, before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain. And the second is you need to buy a hosting. So guys, let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser, search for domainracer.com, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racer and I really love their services. Also, they have very great services. They have instant support. As you can see, the support chat is here. It means you can directly talk to them. And also you can directly contact to the salesperson if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So here when you open the Domain Racer website, here you can see the domain option. So click into this domain and then search for the domain. Also make sure while searching for domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. So talking about interior designer website, I'll search for my interior and then click into search option. And now here you can see there are different suggestions coming up. So the first domain is myinteriorcenter.com and the second is mymoderncentral.com and the third is myinteriorcenter.xyz. So guys, if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with this .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally and it also helps to rank your website on top. And now once you select this .com domain, just click into this add to cart option. Now you can go to the web hosting, but guys, as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I am skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So for this again you need to go to the Domain Racer website and then on the top you can see this login option. So click into this login option and here now you have your credentials to log in. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use the same credentials to log into the account, and once you log into your account, you will see the services and products you have got from them. So you can see your active products and services here. Also, once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, here I am directly going to the Cpanel and now enter the ID and the password and click into this login option. And now you can see the Cpanel account here. Once you log into Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to the bottom and then in the software menu you can see this option WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this option and now you can see here WordPress management. Also you have three options: install, scan and manage sites. So you have to click on this install option. And now here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. So guys, on the top you can see it's asking to choose the version. So always try to use the latest version, that will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. And now here's it's coming for the site name. So it was my interior design. And now it's coming for site description. So for example, I'm here taking it as, hey, this is my interior design site. So guys, now you can also see here's coming for ID and the password. So you can change it according to your need. So I'm taking it as admin and admin, both same. And now you can choose the language. So I'm choosing it as English. You can choose it according to your comfort. And now this is the last part we have to do to select theme. So first of all, you can click in this show all themes, and now we can search for the theme. So it was about interior designer website, so I'll search for interior, but as you can see there's no match found for interior design, so I'll click into this all option and then select any of the theme from here only. So guys, here I guess this one could be better for the interior design, so click into this, and now you can also see the demo by clicking into this demo option. So finally I'm going to select this theme only from here, and now click into the install option. So as you can see guys, it's installing now, so it might take some time, and you can see this may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here too. It basically depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part. We cannot skip this part. So guys, now you are done with the installation part. You can see here, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And now you are given two different links. When you click into first link, you can able to see how your website will look like. And now coming back to the second link again, you can see administrative URL, from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, so talking about the role of this dashboard, let me tell you, this dashboard will let you to make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content and blogs. You can do the changes from the left side also, like for example, if you want to add any post to your website, then click into this post option and then add new. Then if you want to add any media file like music, photos, video, then you can do it from here only. Now if you want to add some other page, new page, then you can click into this pages option. If you want to manage your comments, then you can click into this comment option. By clicking on this appearance, you can see here you can customize your theme. Also, if you want to add any plugin option, then you can click into this. If you want to assign any other new user to handle your website, then you can do it from here too. So guys, coming back to the website, here on the top you can see my interior design. And if you remember, it was the name I have given at the time of the installation. And now in the heading, you can also see here, hey, this is my interior design site. And if you remember, it was the description I have given at the time of the installation. So guys, these all are the demo photos you can see here. So you can also customize or change it. You just need to go back to the dashboard, and here you can see start customizing option. So click into this option, and now it will let you to make changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes to the header, footer, templates and pages, so you can click into this option and you can go with this header option. As you can see, it's preparing interface, and now from here you can change any of the thing in your header part. Now coming back, if you want to change anything in the footer, then click into this footer, as it's preparing interface for the footer page. And now from here you can change anything in your footer part. Now coming back to the dashboard, if you want to make changes to your home page, then click into this home. It's preparing interface for the home page. And now from here you can scroll down and change anything, whatever you want to change in your home page. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own interior designer website with WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro. And if you have any queries, then please mention it in the comment box.